What if you could discover a scientific way to persuade anyone? What if you could apply that scientific method to close more business or close an argument even at home? Hi, I'm Dr. Christophe Morin, and I am the co-author of the first book unveiling a scientific way to improve your capacity to persuade. Yes, the book brings science, but in a way that is approachable, that makes you smarter about predicting and understanding the effect of your websites, the effect of your commercials, your videos, and more importantly, if you are presenting or selling every day in front of people, the effect of everything you do with your body, everything you say and represent that is supposed to grab people's attention, deliver understanding in seconds, and motivate people to act, to make a decision. It was designed for people who are on the go, who want to persuade effectively and the least amount of money necessary to do so.